Forget everything you think you know about what a bedroom is. Save for a billionaire, it's not just a room to sleep in. It's more like a personal five-star hotel suite that's been meticulously designed right inside their own home. So let's dive in and see how these incredible spaces are actually put together. And this, right here, really gets to the heart of the matter. A billionaire's bedroom isn't just a room. It's a valuable asset. It's a space that's been engineered from the ground up for ultimate comfort, total privacy, and let's be honest, to make a very powerful statement. It's all about creating a complete escape from the outside world. So, how did they pull it off? In this explainer, we're going to journey through the 5 key elements. We'll start with the whole philosophy behind it. Then we'll look at the grand design, the incredible smart tech, the way the suite expands, and finally, we'll get into the modern luxuries that really redefine what a bedroom can even be. Okay, first step, the big idea. The bedroom as a genuine sanctuary. The goal here isn't just to create a place for rest. No, it's about crafting an exclusive, personal 5-star hotel experience, but right inside your own house. This quote pretty much says it all, doesn't it? The entire design philosophy is built around creating a true escape, a personal haven where you can decompress and recharge in total, uninterrupted comfort. So, how do you actually build a sanctuary like that? Well, it all starts with the foundations, the massive scale and the kind of exquisite materials that just scream luxury from the moment you even step inside. And this slide really puts that scale into perspective. I mean, we are talking about bedroom suites that can be 2,500 square feet. That is literally larger than the average family home. This isn't a room. It's basically an entire private wing of the house. And all of that space is designed to feel even bigger. You've got these wide open layouts and soaring high ceilings that create this incredible sense of freedom. And the view? Oh, the view is almost always a jaw-dropper. We're talking panoramic vistas of a glittering city or a calm, private ocean through massive floor-to-ceiling windows. Now, right in the heart of this huge space is its centerpiece. In these bedrooms, the bed isn't just a piece of furniture. It's the throne of the entire sanctuary. It's often the single biggest investment in the room, a total masterpiece of comfort and design. And every single part of it is the absolute best of the best. Think custom-made, king-sized beds with mattresses so advanced they perfectly contour to your body, all wrapped in the finest silk or super high thread count Egyptian cotton. Even the headboard is a work of art, made from materials like buttery soft leather, a single polished slab of marble, or rich, plush velvet. And this obsession with quality, man, it is on every single surface. The floors are often gleaming Italian marble or beautiful hardwood, maybe covered with the deepest, plushest carpet you can imagine. And the details really matter. Fixtures and accents often feature real gold, brushed brass, and sparkling crystal. Absolutely nothing is overlooked. But modern luxury isn't just about what you can see and touch. It's also about all the invisible technology working behind the scenes. So let's get into the integrated smart experience, which creates this perfectly seamless, personalized world. This slide just illustrates it perfectly. Imagine waking up like this. The mood lighting slowly brightens to mimic a perfect sunrise. The motorized blackout curtains silently pull back. The room's temperature adjusts to your exact preference, and your sound system starts playing some gentle music. It's completely effortless. And the lighting is a huge part of creating that atmosphere. It's never just a simple on or off. The whole system is programmed with different modes for whatever you're doing, like a relaxation mode or a sleep mode, all using soft, warm, adjustable light to create the perfect vibe for any moment. But you know, the real genius of it all is how simple it is to control. All of these complex, interconnected systems, the lights, the curtains, even smart mirrors and the sound system, they're all designed to be controlled with a single touch, or even easier, with just a simple voice command. Okay, so now let's zoom out a bit because these bedrooms don't just exist on their own. They're actually the central hub of a much larger private world. The suite itself goes way, way beyond just the bed. Inside the main bedroom area, you'll always find these different little zones designed for more than just sleeping. You'll often find a dedicated sitting area for your morning coffee, a cozy little reading corner, maybe with a fireplace, or even a mini lounge for a quiet chat. It really does function as a total private retreat. And then, connected right to the bedroom, are 2 spaces that are just essential: First, a gigantic walk-in closet, which honestly is more like a private designer boutique. We're talking custom wardrobes, entire walls just for shoes, and even secure dedicated rooms for jewelry. And second, a full-on spa bathroom, decked out in marble with a jacuzzi tub, huge rain showers, and of course, heated floors. And that brings us to what I think is the most interesting part, the ultimate modern luxuries. And here, we're moving beyond physical things like gold and marble to something way more rare and valuable today, and that's space and silence. This slide nails the evolution of luxury. The days of those super ornate, cluttered rooms where more was always more, those are gone. Today's high-end design is all about minimalism. It's about wide open, uncluttered space where a few carefully chosen and incredibly expensive statement pieces are really allowed to breathe and stand out. And this less is more idea is key. Think minimal, but exquisitely made furniture. The color palettes are often very neutral, calm whites, beiges, and blacks, which creates this serene, almost meditative feeling. And instead of a bunch of small decorations, you might just find one single, massive, breathtaking piece of original art. But maybe more than anything else, in our super connected, noisy world, the greatest luxury of all is just true privacy. The ability to find absolute peace and quiet is a non-negotiable part of these designs. And that level of privacy is literally engineered into the building. It's done with things like completely soundproof walls that block out any outside noise, those automated blackout curtains for total visual isolation, and, of course, the location of the suite itself, usually tucked away in a private wing or even on its own dedicated floor. So we're left with this really fascinating question. In a space that can anticipate your every need, that completely insulates you from the world, what's the real luxury being offered? Is it the perfect comfort that it provides, or is it the absolute control that it gives you? It's a question that really gets to the very heart of what luxury means today.